we're trying to figure out if the slope of the line is negative. Well, lines with negative slopes are like this. That means as x increases, y decreases. Okay? So here's my xy plane. So if I look at the first clue, m is greater than 0, it's a positive number, and n is less than 0, it's negative. So, or order pair, that's the first number is positive and the second number is negative. Positive, you go in this direction, and then negative, you go down here. So that point mn is somewhere here in this lower right quadrant. But it doesn't. Clue 1 doesn't tell me anything about r and s, so that doesn't work. Let's do the same thing for clue 2. R is less than 0. That means it's negative, and s is positive. Well, you went this way for x, which is negative, and then up. So rs is somewhere in this quadrant, but it doesn't tell me anything about mn, so that doesn't work. But if you put them both together, we know rs is up here. We know mn is down here somewhere. And if you connect your dots, yep, you're going to have a line with a negative slope. So your answer is C. It takes both of them.